Hello everybody, my name is Taylor Green. I am one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates.
My name is Rhys Barber. I'm the other audiologist here at Audiology Associates. Now this is my patient. It's a long video, guys. Go make yourself a cup of tea. It's about 10 minutes long just on one patient, this one, or a cup of coffee.
Grab your biscuits as well.
Grab some biscuits, yeah, popcorn, snacks, wherever you fancy.
I'm sure if you want to eat when you're watching this one.
Yeah, maybe not actually. not the chocolate covered stuff.
Or sitting there going,
so this was basically, I thought this was going to come away really, really well. Lovely, lovely guy came through to clinic, really nice gent, and started moving the wax, and he was like, oh, this is starting to sound great already. I was like, oh, brilliant, it's going to be out now, 2 minutes, this is going to be done. Oh, I jinxed myself, and I did say to him, this is actually coming out really, really well, and jinxed myself straight away. So we've got this initial section here and it's breaking down really, really well. It's lovely. It's crumbling into the suction tube exactly the way you want it to come away. I'm like, oh, this is great. Oh, a little bit of dry skin. That's not a problem. It's all still coming away. And I got this. I thought, great. Just get this layer up now. And I thought, oh, look at that. That's come away beautifully there. And I'll just grab this last layer. And I'm like, okay. Why is this not coming out? And I've grabbed it. This is actually a piece of skin. I'm like, oh, I just need to maintain a better grip or just move the grip a little bit. But this is just not budging. I'm like, why on earth is this not coming out? I thought, oh, it's just hooked around.
Like wedged in the recess, but it's like stuck down there somewhere.
This is what I thought. It's wedged. There's like a hook at the end of it. It's just hanging on to the recess. It's just not coming out particularly well. Got a cracking grip there, and I thought, oh, this is going to go now. No. So I thought, oh, okay, we'll mix it up. Let's get the forceps on this bad boy and see if we can give this a bit of a tug. Oh, there we go.
Oh, it's like springing back.
Yeah. It's like, what was those? It's like a slinky.
A slinky,
yeah. It's not coming away very well at all, but we've got these kind of, look at that. I'm holding on to it, and as I'm pulling it, it's kind of pulling back in. And Katie was actually, this is one where Katie was watching me do the removal. I'm kind of talking Katie through it. I'm going, yeah, see, just aim for here now. It should just come away really easily. I thought, oh, there we go. I can see that bit there at the bottom is the bit that's holding it in. We'll get this out now, no problem at all. Starts to peel, bottom bit peels. So right, got it.
Perfect.
Out that comes, look at that. As you can tell, we're only 3 minutes into the video. And then this happens. So I'm saying, okay, yeah, it's a layer. It might be soft and squishy. There's plenty of oil in here. And so we've dropped down to the fine end now. I thought, oh, eardrum peel. I love an eardrum peel. I don't love this eardrum peel though, because it was a beastie. Honest to goodness, it was absolutely solidly stuck. But the patient was going, it still feels like as if there's something in there. It still feels muffled, and that's because of this. And what you can see is basically this is a hard layer of skin on the eardrum, and it's just attached all the way around the very outer edge of the drum, all the way into the recess. And no matter how hard I'm pulling this, and I thought, oh, I'm trying to get a grip on an edge and move it left and right, and you'll see me attempt this loads of times. I actually had to get the patient back because this just did not budge. I flooded this with oil.
That's frustrating because you're literally right at the end of the removal. That last little bit is the last bit in there. It
is the tiniest, and it's such a thin layer, but it was causing so many problems for the patient. And it's in an awkward position because sometimes you've got a lovely peel and you can bring it from the top down, or you can work it from the left or the right corner. But what's happened here is it's kind of arced down into both recesses there. So you kind of into the recess, but both sides of it. So you can't work an edge. So you can only work the top, and there's not enough room to go left and right.
You almost need it to just fold and stay there.
Yeah.
You can just possibly grab that with a set of forceps.
That's exactly what I want. I was trying to pull it down, and it just didn't budge. And I'm thinking, okay, well, I'm gonna have to go for a different tap. What if I just try and hover just in front of it and see if it jumps to the suction tube, so we don't touch the eardrum? But that wasn't jumping anyway.
It's got nope.
It's nope. I'm quite happy, thank you very much. I will not leave my cozy space. yeah, look at that. It just does not want to come. And I really worked this as much as I could. And the patient was going, don't worry, buddy. He was going, you just carry on.
Yeah, whip it out.
I feel fine. I was going, I know that, but you know,
we can't.
I can only do so much without without causing any problems in here. So you can see I'm trying to shear the bottom section of this. I'm not too sure whether I give you 2 ruler shots on this one. I can't quite remember because it was a follow-up. I don't know whether I did the ruler shot after the first one and the ruler shot after the second visit. I can't quite remember. You know, and there are literally going to be tens of comments, you know, in the section below saying, just get the forceps in there and pull it out. Yeah, unless you can bend it down a little bit more and it stay there, you can't really forcep that type of skin out, unfortunately. It's just
the forceps we use from the company that sent us, obviously the curettage, the ends of the forceps are almost like too thick, and they're not quite like thin enough.
Almost like
you don't want them pointy, but
but almost like you need to have almost like the needle nose pliers, but with in forcep form. I'm sure they're out there somewhere, but it's just lifting. It's worth it, guys. I'm not going to give you a spoiler. We do get it out in the end, but the patient answer, what I've said is just look, oil it for another week, and then come back and see me again when it's just softened this skin up a little bit. I know. See, the section to the right. Look, I was really hoping it would stay almost like the crest of a wave. You want to kind of just crest it over there. I did see there was a massive earthquake off Russia. Did you see the tsunami warning? Just talk about waves.
Was it?
Yeah, tsunami warning this morning. Japan, Hawaii.
Oh,
I haven't caught up with it today, so I don't know. So I hope everyone's okay. But it was.
I hope everyone's alright. Oh gosh.
It wasn't a particularly nice. It was 8 point something on the Richter scale.
Well, that's huge, isn't it?
Yeah, it was one of the biggest earthquakes ever recorded. Yeah, and it was. So I know there were alarms going off everywhere. So I hope everyone's okay after that.
Wow.
Yeah, I think this is the follow-up visit now, and you can see it's just gone exactly where it was to start with. So this is after a week's worth of oil. You can see I'm kind of like, do I go bottom, do I go top, or what are we going to do here? I'm just going to grip. Because it's gone flat, I have to start the peel again. I'm just going to see, there you go, you can see I'm trying just to get the edge. It's not quite there, it's almost there. If I can just get that little bit of an edge.
Is Katie still with you at this point?
Katie, I think she fell asleep by now. Yeah, I could kind of look across Katie. I was looking at Katie going like, oh, this is difficult. Katie was like, oh, God. Look at that though.
That's a nice one.
That's a good one. Let's see if we can get the whole thing out. Look how much of it was in the recess though. This is why I couldn't get it out last time. I just pushed it back in. It's like almost got the lift. I'm trying to sort of get an edge to work on. It's just a fraction too thin to get the good grip there.
Stay in there though. You'd probably did you use your forceps or do you stick with it?
Honestly, I can't quite remember for this one. You can see I'm trying to aim for that bottom section, just where it's a bit flatter.
Oh,
just to get the lift.
Oh, there it comes.
There you go. Look at that. And you can see now why it just wasn't coming out. We had that really kind of deep, dry skin down into the recess. We've got this very wispy skin here.
Oh, wow.
Look at that. It's a good one,
I remember the last time I had one similar to that. Jen was a diver. I'm not sure if I show you that one.
No, I don't think
it was like skin like that, but it was like, do you only get like the flat sheaves or the holes in it?
Yeah.
It was like that, and it was all like little holes, but like over the front of the eardrum, and it was
like
it was
Tom and
perfect.
Jerry cheese.
Tom and Jerry cheese, yeah.
So this is actually the other side, I think it was. Yeah, this.
You probably did the two.
I probably did
the one side, and then
there you go, and I did the other side. So I think I did the one ear canal. This was basically the other ear canal from the first visit. So I think you're going to get. Perhaps I do them all at the end, the ruler shots. I can't remember how I edited it in now. Yeah, we just had this sort of skin on this side, and I thought, I'm hoping this is not going to go the same way as the first one. But there we go, out that comes. And mushy in this side, you can see it's got a slightly mushier layer. A little bit more oil gone in this one basically. But this is still the first visit, this one. So the we got him back for the other ear canal. You can see that, there you go. And there was just a little bit can't speak now. A little bit left to remove. I think I tried this, but I thought, is this going to peel away? Yep, there you go.
Oh, nice.
And then I could see there was this little section there. Let's draw this down. So just hovering fractionally above that canal wall there. I saw this bit start to peel earlier, so I'm just taking those. There you go. And that's a lovely peel on that one.
Just more cosmetic, and there's some of those last little tiny spots. They're not causing any problems, but.
So this is first visit. So that's 1 1/8".
2.5 centimeters on that one.
And that one's 3/16 of an inch.
And 0.5 centimeter.
There you go. So I did put them both on. I thought I did have to. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video as much as we did voicing it over. As always, guys, if you do enjoy the videos, you can always like, heart, share, follow, subscribe. If you really enjoy the videos, you can also consider becoming members of the channel. That way, then you get to see even more videos every single week, as you do for next week. So there's no subscriber video next week, guys. Don't forget, it's only members videos going out next week because I'm away, and then everything's back to normal the week after. But as always, guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another. And myself and the lovely Mr. Taylor Green. We'll see you again soon. Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.